Hi, I'm Matangi Srinivasan from Trivandrum. I'm a teacher who's actively engaged in physical work. I love the outdoors and I do a lot of hiking, trekking, and so on. But 10 years ago, I lifted a heavy suitcase in the airport and had a very severe back pain which led to a catch. I took some rest and painkillers and could overcome the pain for a short period of time. But after a year or so, the pain came back with greater force. Kerala being the hub of Ayurvedic treatment, I resorted to it. In the form of massages and compresses, some treatment was given to me and I found some relief. But the pain did not disappear. A few months later, I again got this pain in a very severe form. The pain started becoming more and more severe and it started radiating down my legs. This is when I consulted an orthopedic specialist. He said that it was first a simple muscular catch, and later on, when I felt a heaviness in the back, he said that it could be a disc bulge and gave me some treatment again in the form of painkillers and rest. Later on, one day, the pain became so severe that I started experiencing numbness. At that time, the doctor told me to take an X ray and an MRI. Each time, the diagnosis was different and the treatment was different, but the pain never went away. After a point of time, when the pain became so severe and started giving me trouble even in the knees and ankles, the doctor examined and said that the gap in the knees has reduced and the fluid dried up. He recommended surgery both for my back and for my knees. This made me really worried. At this point of time, I went to Delhi and happened to meet my cousin. She at once told about a physiotherapist, Dr. Vanita Devgan, who had cured her completely of her chronic back pain. I thought of consulting her. Luckily, Dr. Vanita Devgan was in Delhi at that time and I gave her a call. The moment I spoke to her, I knew here was a person who is going to cure me completely of the pain and is not going to just give me some medicines to just suppress the pain. The main point that we have to remember when you take a treatment with her is it's not that the pain will ever come back again. It's never going to come back again. It's going to totally be cured and removed from your system. And moreover, in the comfort of your own house, you can get the treatment done. All the people resort to different types of treatments and finally go to her for the treatment when the stage is a chronic one. But if it is taken in the initial stages itself, the duration of the pain treatment is going to become less. What happens is, even if it's a chronic pain, she takes it up as a challenge and cures the patient. In fact, she asks patients to come after they've tried out all means, and when everything has failed, she treats them in such a way that they forget that they even had the pain and bounce back into normal activity with great ease. All my relatives, my father, my mother, my husband, sister, brother-in-law, everyone has got treatment from her and have been cured totally of pain, be it cervical, lumbar, disc, or any sort of pain. So all the activities that I was restricted from because of this pain, I have resumed with great vigor now. You can see that I can really walk with ease, stand for long hours. Being a teaching profession, I need to stand for long hours. I can walk with ease. I can climb steps. I can sit down. I can squat. I can kneel. I can get up and I can do any sort of activity with ease. And whatever I was dreading because of the pain, I'm able to now do without any fear because there's no pain at all and all the pain from my body has been totally removed. I can sit, I can squat, I can kneel, I can get up, I can do every activity with perfect ease. If you want to get further information or any clarification or doubt, you can get in touch directly with me. My contact number is 98950 I repeat, 98950 16116. Thank you.